It's November 10th and we had a snowfall in Ottawa. And imagine Costco ran out of salt, so I'm a Canadian Tire just getting salt for my commercial and residential tenants for our property. And of course some shovels get damaged or disappear suddenly, so I'm gonna pick a few shovels for our tenants as well. There's these two types. First of all, the handle is a metal handle. The bottom grip is solidified here in the next piece. On this one it's actually metal. And so it's very sturdy. This it's also metal, the handle. Pretty sturdy, so we took two kinds. Sold 8 big bags and a nice shovels.